Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rosanne. I'm from the Little Apprentice Preschool here in Manila, Philippines, and I'm going to show you how to cut paper using scissors very safely. And this is for kids and adults, okay? First, pick a hand, the hand that is comfortable holding the scissors, and this hand's job is to cut upwards. Only upwards, no other direction. Yes? The other hand holds the paper. The other hand has fingers you cannot see, so this hand has to be protected. Yes? This hand is the one that turns the paper around, especially if you're cutting curved or pointy areas, all right, or corners. Next, when you cut, please place this hand with the scissors holding it on a tabletop. If the scissors are long, then you rest the scissors on the tabletop. Pretend this is a table. Or if the scissors are short, you can place the child's fist on the tabletop. Okay? Next, this hand is not going to get any, it won't get tired as much because it's resting. That way you can cut much longer. Now, when you cut upwards, and ask the child to just keep cutting while moving the scissors upwards, not just doing this. Okay? Otherwise, he may not see any movement or any progress. Next, enjoy. That's all we need to know. Okay, happy cutting, everybody.